Hey crafty critters! Today we're going to make an Easter project with a toilet paper roll and a bead. So let's get started. Okay, first off you're going to decide how tall you want your bunny to be. Now this is my first time making this, so I'm just going to start off with this size. We're going to unroll it and then re-roll it on an angle like so. And then we're just going to trim off the excess on the side and the bottom and run a bead of hot glue along that edge. And a big glob of hot glue across the top to anchor my bead. Now when I put the bead on, I'm going to try to put the hole down. And I'm hoping that the ears are going to cover the hole at the top. So I'm just using some scraps to cut out some ears. And the scraps are going to come in handy for making some little hands or feet. I'm testing them to see if I like them with the ears bent. And then I'm just going to put a big glob of glue on the bottom of the ears, put them on top and see if I like them. The good thing about hot glue is that if you don't like it, you can always peel it off and start over. So now I'm just going to take some twine and make a little bow, because I think the twine kind of goes with the craft paper look. That looks about right, and it's going to cover that hole at the top that the ears didn't cover. Now here's one of those scraps I'm going to try for an arm. So it looks like that'll work. Actually already has a good angle on it. So I'm just going to do this, and then got another chunk of a scrap. And I was thinking about maybe putting some little lines on the end to make it look like a little paw. But with the arms sticking up, you really wouldn't see that, so maybe I won't. Now I'm just going to trim around the end pieces. And this one is way too thick. It's going to need a little more work. Now I'm just going to take an ink pen and put a couple little dot eyes. And I'm going to cut out a little heart-shaped glue underneath for some little feet sticking out. Kind of like popping out from under her dress. And this is something you could make with the grandkids. I know my granddaughter's out of school for Easter break right now. So it's a good little project. I showed it to her on video last night and she liked it. So I think I'm going to make some when I go there with my grandkids. So I'm just trimming them up a little bit, trying to get it how I like it. Turns out I didn't really like the ears bent over. I kind of like them more standing up. Then I got a marker, little pink marker, but yeah, it's not showing up so great. I was putting a little rouge on her cheeks and a little down the center of the ears. And you know, you can do it. You can put the ears closer together, standing straight up, one bent down. Yeah, I also made another little version. And this one you could put like a candy in between its hands. You could, you know, make its hands go another way, like this one has its hands facing down. but they're just toilet paper rolls, a bead, and whatever embellishments your creative little mind comes up with. This one has feet, this one has no feet. You could make them shorter like this. So, as usual, it's just for inspiration to get you started. So, there you go. Now, get started. Bye.